Greetings. I've had my Tesla for almost a year now, and I want to show you the real numbers. Not the sales pitch, not the YouTube hype. What it actually costs and saves a retired guy like me in the real world. Because if you're thinking about an EV in retirement, this video is going to save you a lot of guesswork. Before the Tesla, I was driving a 2003 Mercury Marauder. Great car. Bought it new. Took care of it. But even a well-maintained car costs money. Oil changes, belts, filters, plugs, brakes. I was spending about $900 a year just keeping it running. That's $75 a month before I even put gas in it. And gas. Before the Tesla, I was spending around $175 a month just on fuel. So between gas and maintenance, I was easily spending $250 a month keeping that car on the road. Now here's what changed. When I bought the Tesla, I got 1 year of free supercharging. That means my 3,000 mile trip to Florida, completely free. $0. I'm still on free supercharging until September, October time frame. Now I do have solar at home, which kicks in when my free supercharging ends, so my electric costs are going to stay very low. Before, $175 a month on gas, now $0. Before, $75 a month on maintenance. Now, almost nothing. No oil changes, no filters, no plugs. Brakes last a lot longer because of regenerative braking. We're talking about $250 a month back in my pocket every single month. That's $3,000 a year just by switching cars. Here's the part I didn't expect. And honestly, it changed my life more than the money savings. Out of 9,000 miles that I've driven this year, 6,800 miles were driven by the car itself using full self-driving. That's 75% of my driving handled by the car. Now, I'm not a young guy. And one of the things retirees don't talk about enough is the anxiety of driving as you get older. Long trips, highway driving, heavy traffic, it wears you out. Full self-driving changed that for me. This car drives better than I do, better than most people I know. And because of that, I actually get more and do more and go more places than I might have thought twice about before. It even backs into the driveway for me. For a retired person, that's not just a financial benefit, it's a quality of life benefit. That's independence. So, is the Tesla worth it in retirement? Well, my answer, if you're driving a newer car that's already paid off and running fine, maybe wait. But if you're looking at your next car and you're doing the math, run the real numbers. $3,000 a year in savings adds up fast. Free supercharging for a year, huge bonus. And full self-driving is something you have to experience to understand. I'm not a car guy making videos. I'm a retired guy who found a tool that saves me money and makes my life better. That's the only reason I'm talking about it. If you want to track what your stuff's actually worth, what to keep, what to sell, what to ditch, grab your free Geezer's Sales Decision Guide link right below. I'll get a new video every week. We'll see you next time.